I'm craving for kimchi. Let's go buy one. I know it's here somewhere. Yeah, found it. Which one? And I'm just gonna get this. And we got it. Yung iba is hindi masatisfy kung walang chopstick. But who cares? Sila yun. Diba ako? So, I'll be using 4. Kaya ko tong kainin alone. I really craved this kimchi. The reason why ito yung binili ko kasi we already tried this before or I already tried this before and masarap talaga siya. Bango, ang bango, ang bango, ang bango. Naglalaway na ako guys. Bakit na? At ama. Mmm. Gosh. Sa ganito kalaki, tapos makarami ng laman, it's just 118 pesos. Di ba? Makakain ko pa siya bukas, the next day, parang 1 week.